Story 9. It is narrated in the compositions of philosophers that scorpions are not born in the same manner as like other living beings, but that they devour the bowels of their mother, and after gnawing through the belly, betake themselves to the desert. The skins which may be seen in the nests of scorpions are evidence of this. I narrated the story to an illustrious man, who then told me that his own heart bore witness to the truth of it, for the case cannot be otherwise, inasmuch as they, having their infancy dealt with thus, with their fathers and mothers, they were beloved and respected in the same manner when they grow old. A father thus admonished his son, O noble fellow, remember this advice. Whoever is not faithful to his origin will not become the companion of happiness. A scorpion, having been asked why he did not go out in winter, replied, what honor do I enjoy in summer, that I should come out also in winter? And also we see quite clearly what is good for one animal is not always good for another animal, right? Animals are innocent, but that doesn't mean we're innocent in following the example of whatever animal comes our way, right?